Okay, so I've cut out one main piece, and then the rest of these pages I have cut out 1, 2 of these, so it's this part here, and then I just cut off from this score line over. And there are many different ways you can configure this die set, but that's what I did to make my pages. I'm just gonna string this together and make like a little flip book. And so I scored, folded over at the main bit, this middle bit, and that bit, just to kind of, I was playing around with it, but you really could do this middle line there. So 1, 2, 3, third one from the decorative part. And then before we string this together, I cut out some pages so it comes with that nice dotted panel. And I just grabbed some, I didn't use the papers in the kit because I wanted to use up some things in my stash. These are some older authentique papers of the regular panel, this shape here, just to make some pockets. And then I cut out a black decorative piece to put here. Cut out one of these, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, probably a belly band. And then I cut a strip to go here. So let's do that first, I guess. And you could back this with a different color. I'm just going to have this craft showing through. So that's the cover. So now one of these is going to be the other part of the cover, and you just pick your favorite paper for that. I kind of liked this one with the butterflies and things on there. Once that's bound together, and I used the die that makes those holes. Once that's bound together, that'll look like that on the outside. So, all right, so that page. Then we're going to use this piece for a pocket. So that lines up. So we're just going to put glue there and glue there. So this could be like a mini album, junk journal. You can stick journaling bits and tickets and stubs and things in there. Okay. What do we got left here to play with? A nice contrasting piece there. So maybe we'll do that yellow one there. And we'll put pocket, I guess we'll go here. This is a little stark compared to this for me, so I'm going to kind of come along, just give it a hint of aging, just so it isn't, so it matches that a little bit more. And this is Vintage Photo. And I like how it just gives just the slightest toning down of that bright white there, just for the cover. Okay, I guess I'm going to use this twine here, and you could also put one on the back here, which I might do, and then you would just need another strip there. I'm going to put some clips here so that this stays lined up. These are just sewing clips. Okay. Question is, I'm going to do a whole length plus enough to kind of come back on itself. This is a little trial and error here. And then in. I was very afraid. Okay. And then in. Okay, so that's what it looks like if you do every other one. Now you can come back. Let's see, let's pull this and let's come back. This might be a challenge here with the double. Okay, and then in. Now, if you use something a little thinner, it might be fine. Let's see. I'm going to leave that like that. But you could go back in through if you had a little bit thinner twine. I am going to take this one and come through and then tie them and call it a day on that. You could hang charms off of here. Beads, you could string beads onto there. Okay. And then you can see it opens up nice and flat with those score lines there. All right. You could use this as a belly band. Black. So just on the end. Other words and things that we could use. There are little flowers here that you could decorate with. There are labels and tags that you can make for like layering pieces. Tags to tuck into here. Or decorative pieces like that. I wanted to show you the construction of that. Now to close this, we can probably do, let's see, probably do a Velcro. You could do a magnet under here. I will try to leave a link below for a boatload of Velcro dots. What to do then is to line up. So if you want the soft bit at the bottom, you want to line that one up and then put it on there so the sticky side is up so that when we close it, it'll be in the correct spot. Okay, if that makes sense. So we've got the Velcro sandwiched together there. And then when you close it, it'll land in the correct spot. And then just let that really sink in there. Gifts and things. Here I've got a little thingy I've made here, silver pockets. You can see it can fit a few things in there. You can put waterfalls, you can put journaling pages here, pictures. There's our pocket there, and there's our belly band. So lots of fun stuff, and you can even continue this on the back with another panel, another strip, and then maybe a pocket this way, kind of a thing, or something like that. But I wanted to show that to you. That is the Tonic Studios magazine #2, and I believe they're still selling that on their website, so I can leave the link down there below. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.